Ladies and gentlemen, if you are searching for how to reuse your scrap metal in a better way, then you are at the right place. In our today's video, I am going to show you some scrap metal do it by yourself project that will help you to upcycle your waste material in a better way. So thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more video. Scrap metal do-it-by-yourself projects have gained popularity in recent years due to their affordability and the creativity. Using scrap metal, you can create a unique and the functional pieces of your home or a garden. Whether you are a seasoned do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or beginner, there are plenty of scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project that can undertake. In this video, we will explore some of the best scrap metal do-it-by-yourself project and how to create them. A scrap metal art is a great way to express your creativity and create unique pieces of your home. Using scrap metal, you can create sculptures, wall art, and the other decorative pieces. To get started, collect a variety of scrap metal pieces and then use your imagination to create your art. Welding equipment will be necessary for this project. To make sure you have the necessary safety equipment and the training before you begin. A metal garden rails made from scrap metal is a great way to add some structure to your garden, and you can use a variety of scrap metal pieces to create a trails that fit your garden style. Start by creating frame for your trails using scrap metal pieces, then add additional pieces of scrap metal to create a trails pattern. Once you have completed your trails, you can use it to support climbing plants and add some visual interest to your gardens. A fire pit made from scrap metal is a great addition to your backyard. You will need a large metal bowl or a bucket and some scrap metal pieces to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal pieces together to create a base of your fire pit. Then place the metal bowl or a bucket on top of the base and add some wood or charcoals. Once your fire pit is lit, you will enjoy a cozy fire on a cool evening. A metal bookshelf made from a scrap metal is a great way to add some industrial style to your home. You will need some scrap metal pieces and some wooden shelves to create this project. Start by welding a scrap metal pieces together to create a frame for your bookshelf. Then attach a wooden shelf to the frame using screws. Once your bookshelf is complete, you can use it to display your favorite books and the decorative item. You can also make a beautiful metal planter. Metal planter made from scrap metal is a great way to add some greenery to your home. You will need a variety of scrap metal pieces and some soil to create a beautiful project. Start by welding the scrap metal project together to create a frame for your planter. Then add some soil and your favorite plants. Once your planter is complete, you can enjoy the beauty of nature in your home. A metal birdhouse from scrap metal is a great way to attract birds to your backyard. You will need a few pieces of scrap metal and some tools to create this project. Start by welding the scrap metal piece together to create a birdhouse frame. Then add some wood and other materials to create nesting area for the birds. Once your birdhouse is complete, you can enjoy the sight of bird nesting in your home. Being here and to subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating and rewarding skill to learn. Not only does it give you an ability to repair and modify metal objects, but it also opens up a world of creative possibilities. From scrap metal art to upcycling metal for do-it-by-yourself decoration item. There are endless welding projects for beginners to explore. In this video, we will explore some beginner-friendly welding projects that are perfect for those just starting out in the world of welding. If you are looking to add some personality and charm to your garden, welded garden art is an excellent beginner welding project. Start by gathering some scrap metal piece of varying size and the shapes. These could be the old tool, machine part, or even discarded metal furniture. Decide on the design you want to create. For example, you could make a metal flower or a birdhouse or whimsical garden sculpture. Once you have your design in mind, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together. Welding garden art is an excellent project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something fun and unique. The bookends are practical and stylish addition to any bookshelves. However, instead of buying bookend from a store, why not make your own using upcycled metal? For this project, you will need two pieces of metal that are roughly the same size and the shapes. These could be the old metal sign, license plate, or even piece of scrap metal from an old car. Use a welder to join two pieces of metal together at 90-degree angle. Once you have welded a piece together, you can add any finishing touch such as painting or sanding to create a polished look. Metal wall art is a trendy and eye-catching way to add some personality to your home decor. To create your own metal wall, start by gathering a variety of scrap metal pieces. This could be anything from old bike chains to metal cutlery. Next, arrange the pieces of scrap metal into a design that appeals to you. For example, you could create a metal tree, a city skyline, or an abstract design. Once you have arranged the pieces of scrap metal, use a welder to join them together. Metal wall art is a great welding project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both beautiful and functional.